NEAR may climb 3.2% by May 6 per Gulf Capital Collector numbers. Let's begin with a glance at the most recent market action. At this point, NEAR has seen a 0.5% drop today and is priced close to $1.274. Let's get into what analysts expect today. Traders Union sees a slide to $1.261 by May 6, a potential loss of 1%. NEAR might retreat to $1.273, according to CoinCodex, a decrease near 0.1%. CoinDataFlow highlights a scenario where it could move up to $1.28, a rise estimated at 0.5%. A separate analysis by Gulf Capital Collector points to NEAR moving up to $1.315, a potential gain of 3.2%. To conclude, Crypto Predictions projects $1.337 by tomorrow. That's 4.9% above where the price is now. This stands as the most lucrative forecast. Those are the predictions. Let's shift to what's next. Let's now shift from expectations to potential performance. Analysts' numbers point to a move between a drop of 1% and a gain of 4.9%. To sum it up, Crypto Predictions offers the highest forecast with 4.9% gain in value by tomorrow. Reviewing the figures, you could see returns of between $1 and $49 for every $1,000 you invest. Considering market volatility, CoinCodex's forecast has the greatest likelihood of being correct, at 87.5%. With the 5 forecasts aligned, I've highlighted the overall consensus scenario. The aggregated forecast suggests NEAR could end near $1.293. Here's the breakdown. From the consensus perspective, the price may go higher by 1.5% by tomorrow. Put simply, your capital could climb by around 1.5% in line with that move. On a 1,000 position, this might represent $15 gained. Consensus figures indicate that the chance of this forecast being realized is about 77.7%. At this stage, let's see what analysts are forecasting over the 3-day horizon. Traders Union describes the near-term path as bearish. A move higher is suggested by CoinCodex. According to CoinDataFlow, the market is likely to trend downward. Meanwhile, Gulf Capital Collector highlights a bearish short-term picture. The direction, called out by Crypto Predictions, is toward higher levels. According to the consensus, NEAR is expected to show little overall movement during this horizon. Bringing the views together, the majority expect NEAR to trend weaker. 5 forecasts appeared 2 days back. Today we look at them in detail. In the end, the price wrapped up the day at $1.263. Yesterday's session showed that only one analyst had the move right. On the accuracy side, Traders Union had the leading forecast. Let's map it out. Each forecast fell neatly within the daily move. Speaking of ROI, all results were profitable, and the maximum gain stood at 2.7%. Here's the recap. All outcomes combined into one table. Today, Traders Union's accuracy value was, with 80.1% forecast probability and 1.4% ROI. Take a closer look and notice whose forecast stayed closest to the actual move. Now you'll see how tomorrow's forecasted gains differ between NEAR and several other coins. Here NEAR trails behind while Optimism takes the lead, showing 4.5% in forecasted returns. We're focusing here on 5 coins, and the wider ranking across many cryptocurrencies is already online. Subscribe so you can follow how these forecasts play out. Talk soon.